Hello.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you? Okay, let's sing the hello song. Okay?
Yeah.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, hello. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine too. Okay, good job. High five. Okay, great. Now, what's this?
It's a bus.
Yes, that's right. It's a bus.
It's a bus.
It's a bus. Okay, and the bus has wheels.
Where?
Wheels. And the wheels on the bus go round and round. Yes, they go round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the town. Okay, now let's sing the song. Here we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Good job. Good job. Now, what's this?
Rabbit.
Yes, it's a rabbit. Rabbit. And the rabbits go hop, hop, hop. Okay, so let's put a rabbit on the bus and let's sing. Here we go. The rabbits on the bus go hop, 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 hop. The rabbits on the bus go hop, 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 all through the town. Good job. Excellent. Now, what have we got here? An?
Elephant.
Yes, it's an elephant. Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. So let's put the elephant on the bus, and elephants go poo, poo, all through the town. Okay, here we go. The elephants on the bus go poo, 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 poo. Poo, poo, the elephants on the bus go poo, poo, all through the town. Good job! Yay! High five! Yay! Okay. Oh, look! What have we got here? What's this?
Animal.
Yes, we have more animals.
Animal.
Animals. Okay, what's this?
Cat.
Cat, yes, it's a cat.
Cat.
It's a cat.
Cat.
It's a cat. And what's this? What's this?
Dog.
Yes, it's a dog.
It's a dog.
It's a dog. What's this? Monkey. Yes, it's a monkey, and monkeys go ooh, ha, 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 ha. Okay, now let's repeat. It's a monkey.
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey. Okay, good job. What's next? Elephant. Yes. It's an elephant.
It's an elephant.
It's an elephant. Okay, good. What's this?
Rabbit.
Yes. It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit.
It's a rabbit. Okay. And this?
A
A fish, yes. It's a fish.
It's a fish.
It's a fish.
It's a fish.
What color is the fish?
Blue.
Yes.
Light blue and blue.
Yes. So it's blue.
It's blue.
The fish is blue.
The fish is blue.
The fish is blue. Okay. What's that?
Butter. butterfly.
Yes, it's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. Okay, butterflies can fly, right? Yes. What's this? Roar. Yes, it's a lion. It's a lion. And lions go roar. Okay. What's this?
Kangaroo.
Yes, it's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. Okay. And last one, what's this?
A duck.
Yes, it's a duck.
It's a duck.
It's a duck. Okay. So let's see, how many animals do we have? Let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 animals. Now let's play a game. Can you close your eyes? Close your eyes, please. Don't peek. Okay, you can open your eyes now. Let's play Guess the Animal game. Okay, so what's this?
Give me a hint.
It goes quack, quack, quack.
Duck.
Let's see. 3, 2, 1. You're right! It's a duck! High five. Yay! Now close your eyes again. Okay, you can open your eyes now. What's this one?
Elephant.
Elephant. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let's see. 3, 2, 1. You're right. It's an elephant. Good job. Yay. Now close your eyes one last time. Ready? You can open your eyes now. What's this?
Kangaroo.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure? Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. You're right. It's a kangaroo. Yeah, good job. High five. Okay. That's the end of the game. Now in the end, let's sing the song about the wheels on the bus one more time. And this time, let's have a duck on the bus. Okay. And ducks go quack, quack, quack. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. The ducks on the bus go quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. The ducks on the bus go quack, quack, quack. All through the town. Good job. Yay. So, our English lesson for today is over. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Rebecca.
See you. See you next time. Bye-bye.